So I wanted to like go there at night. Well, I want to see if we can like, I don't know, I guess find something.
That's what Futami feels like to me, is a completely another dimension.
Yep. Backwards. There's tombs right here. And then I look down.
Oh yeah.
And this is the road. We're gonna drive over. You'll finally hear the song of the road.
Do you see that? Okinawa rarely fogs.
Not in Futami.
Hey, buds. Alright, I got the camera. Why'd you want me to grab the camera?
I'm looking at the history of the Melody Road. It's the road up north we went on. It like plays music when you drive over it because of the bumps in the road. And last time we were there, it felt really like creepy to me. So I just wanted to check out the history, see if something happened there. You know, there's a lot of things that happened in Okinawa. And this place seems like the history is just clean. Apparently the song was written by a couple who moved to Futami, which is the little town that it's in. When the war was over, they like moved to this small village next to the ocean, and it's like this really nice love story. And I'm finding nothing on like how creepy that place actually feels.
I know that place has been here since like 2012, but even before 2012, before that road existed, like I've driven through it a couple times going up north, and I always kind of felt that area to be off. But to be fair, like I feel like in a lot of places in Okinawa feel that way.
Because you could feel it, like there's energy there. There's a lot of creepy aspects to it, like, oh yeah, it's this nice road that plays music, but no one talks about how the song sounds super creepy. I don't know, it sounds like a horror song. On top of that, right next to the road, on the side of the road where the song is, like the bumps in the road, there's tombs along the side of the road. And then on top of that, there's nothing in Futami. Like it's pretty much
village, yeah.
It's an abandoned village. I don't even know if anyone lives there, to be honest.
I mean, every time we go, there's not that many people. Like I don't think I've ever seen a single person in Futami when I drive past it. I know it's not abandoned, but I've never seen anyone.
What happened in this town? There's tombs on the side of the road. It's always creepy. I mean, we go there in the daytime, but this is probably just our timing. But every time we go there in the daytime, it's like a really overcast day. It's probably not related.
It's related.
But, you know, every time I've been there, it's just had this vibe. So I wanted to like go there at night.
Why specifically at night?
Because it's creepy. Well, I want to see if we can like find some or feel something. I think you feel more things at night.
I don't know if you could see this, but I literally just the thought of doing this is making my eyes water.
Yeah, but it's
because I will be like, I do. By the end of this, when are we going, by the way?
Let's go tonight. Are you constipated?
I'm not constipated, but I was gonna watch like the last 3 episodes of House of Dragons, but it's fine. We could do this instead. If we come back with like another like spiritual roommate, I'm gonna be kind of pissed. And if we do get a spiritual roommate, that fucker better pay rent.
That's what I'm thinking. We could use the help. Maybe we should go. There's a lot of creepy places in Okinawa, and apparently nothing happened in Futami. It feels more spiritual than a lot of other places in Okinawa. Now, there's something weird about this place.
Is Buddy gonna go? Should we take him as a guard dog? Do you think he'll save us?
He might sense something, like if we have food.
Okay. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
It is raining. You know why it's raining too.
It's because we're going to Futami.
That's what I'm saying.
You're reading way too much into this.
It was hot.
It was hot and sunny.
The last week.
It was hot and sunny.
It's actually been really hot the last week.
It has been hot
Today,
and sunny.
I'm like researching Futami, saying that every time we go there, it's overcast or something. It literally like just started. It was sunny earlier. We didn't know it was gonna rain. I didn't check the weather. And I'd be like, oh, it's raining today. We're going to Futami. It's like a USB port.
Yeah, it's God's
This guy.
USB port. Like, you're talking about this Melody Road being intimidating and creepy, but to me, that thing is just creepy.
Tower or something, but
I forgot what it was. I know somebody told us it was something. It always gets me, this place that we're going to, because we're about to hit that the tunnel, and it always makes me feel like we're going through the Spirited Away.
The tunnel?
Yeah, the tunnel in Spirited, because there's a tunnel that you take in order to get through to Futami.
Really?
Yeah, and it always feels like it's like a Spirited Away.
Oh yeah, it's a long one.
Yeah, it's a long ass tunnel.
I think it's like another dimension, that's why.
That's what it feels like. That's what Futami feels like to me, is a completely another dimension.
Yeah, it's like a whole other world.
There's a second tunnel. I forgot about that.
It's like blue, yellow. Wow. So
Yeah.
we're actually outside now, but
Yeah, we're outside. It's completely like pitch black.
there's
Drop offs
mountains on this side.
You can't even see.
Yeah, drop offs.
But like every time I pass these tunnels, it just feels like we're going into like that was just the entrance to the next entrance of the second, like the next dimension.
And down there, that's the town of Futami. There's like 2 lights, 2 houses there.
It is incredibly dark here. I saw a sign outside the entrance though that they said they're doing construction.
Oh, it's a cat.
You fucking scared me!
I saw something moving in the darkness over there.
What the hell? What the hell? You didn't need to do that!
It's so dark.
Nearly having a fucking heart attack. I have something for us.
What's that?
I made this out of love. And I want you to carry it in your pocket. Did I leave it at home? Hold on.
You probably did.
It's for protection. No, there it is. Here. It's a bag of salt.
Cool. Cocaine.
Protection. No, it's a bag of salt. Also, I brought a tub of salt. So.
Why would you do that? You got it in my eyeball.
No, I didn't.
You did, actually.
Sorry.
You know salt burns in eyeballs.
Sorry. I've never had that experience.
Yeah, I can tell you from experience. I'm salty at you. Okay. What's that music?
Did you hear that?
I did. I wonder if the camera picked it up.
I don't know. That was weird. Wait. Is our car on fire?
What?
Do you see that? Okinawa rarely fogs. Do you know that?
Not in Futami. A little bit of fog.
Whoa! It's actually... No way. That is crazy. I don't think it would be foggy right now. Do you want the flashlight or do you want the headband?
Maybe with the flashlight, that's a lot brighter.
You got your salt bag?
No. Can you grab it?
That's what it's for. Your ass is gonna be haunted. You're gonna turn into that Amityville horror guy. I mean, I'm not gonna complain if you look like Ryan Reynolds, but you can't see shit, dude.
Oh, this is the ocean.
Holy shit, no way.
What?
No way, that's cool. Hold on.
It's a hermit crab. Ooh, a big one. Holy crap.
The original creep.
You are on edge. Our lights on.
I don't like creepy crawlies.
Should turn off.
Here.
I hear bats, but
There's nothing. You're just trying to scare me.
no, I'm actually not. Did you not hear it sounded like whispering.
Uh-oh.
What?
The camera just started and stopped on its own. That was weird.
Look, right here. This is what I'm talking about.
Graves aren't...
Look we're on the road.
Oh shit, man. You're adorable.
What?
You're scaring me.
I'm telling you. People are like, oh yeah, this nice road plays melody. They literally looked up and I'm like, look, there's tombs right here. And then I look down.
Oh yeah, look.
And this is the road. Look, it ends right here.
I feel like there's something... I always feel like there's something behind... It's so weird that it's raining. It wasn't supposed to rain today. Oh yeah, the graves.
Yeah, look at it. There's so many. I know there's graves all over Okinawa, right? But this feels spiritual.
Is that person coming our way? Is that a car or is that a flashlight?
It looks like somebody else's flashlight. Yeah, somebody else is here checking out the ghosts.
Safety. These are cute. This place can't be that creepy if there's like this really cute thing. You know, I think it's because when you're on Melody Road and you're going through the road, it doesn't feel that long of a road.
Is it a celebration of the road? What is this?
Wait, hold on. I heard a guy's voice, but it was like a deep guy's voice. It's like a Totoro voice.
Totoro. Totoro. Totoro.
I don't think there was a bus driver out driving that bus.
There was no one else in that bus, though.
No, there was one person in the back.
Oh, there was?
Well, I saw one.
Okay. We're gonna drive over. For the moment of truth, you'll finally hear the song of the road and how jolly it is, especially at night. Did you hear anything?
I mean, the entire time I was walking, there was definitely some ambience noises, but I mean, we're next to the ocean and we're next to the mountains, so there's gonna be like weird bug and animal noises, you know?
Yeah.
I did hear
it was right by this house, but I heard like whispering or something. And then you heard a man's voice.
Yeah, I did. I heard like a deep guy's voice, but
it could have been far away.
Yeah, it could have been like echoes from somewhere across, and like because we were under the bridge, I think, when I heard it, so it could have just been an echo through like I don't know.
From the bridge.
I don't know how echoes work, but I'm assuming it would echo through the bridge. Okay, there's a bug on my eye.
Okay, let's hear this awesome song.
All windows are rolled down.
So the road's gonna play the melody. There it is.
There it goes.
Stops, huh?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
I'm guessing there's more to the song.
Yeah, I'm sure there is.
Yeah, it sounds...
I mean, it sounds creepy.
You know why it sounds creepy?
Why does it sound creepy?
It's because it's low drones. And in horror movies, they use low drone sounds to creep you out.
Yeah, right. Sorry, that guy was freaking me out. I saw a flashlight and I was like,
So
So good job on the editing.
good job on the watching.
I was working really hard on that. Practice watching YouTube videos all my life. Not really, because YouTube's already been around for half of my life, which is also a really scary statement. In fact, I feel like that statement is scarier than Melody Road.
So you don't think it's scary?
I think it feels, you know, when we were going through the tunnel and I was like, this feels like Spirited Away. Like you're going through the tunnel. I felt like spiritual. And obviously there was a creepy element to it because we were going there to like look for ghosts, quote unquote. Because of that, it felt scary, but I didn't really feel any kind of spiritual, like ghostly energy personally.
I think it's creepy and spiritual, and the music is very scary. Did you also notice I captured the whisper that I was talking about?
No, I didn't hear it.
It's on the video. And might be a bat.
Okay.
Or something.
So you got spooked by a bat.
It's a wispy sound.
Bats don't normally make wispy sounds, though, do they? They make that like noise. I don't know. Is that the kind of noise bats make?
The fluttering of the wings.
Yeah,
right?
that's more of a beat, like.
I don't know. Just listen to it and tell me what you think. What about your guy you heard?
Did you not hear it when you went back? Because like I tried, after you edited it and I rewatched it, I tried really hard to hear for it, and I was really disappointed because I heard, like, instead of your wispy noise of it could be a bat, like it literally was somebody saying words. It was a man saying words, but it was very low.
Did you hear it
No.
So we didn't capture it?
So I don't know if I'm just going crazy and I'm just hearing voices in my head.
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
I mean, we were underneath the overpass too, so.
Yeah, oh, that's
When you heard
true.
it.
There could have been somebody walking over the overpass.
Did it sound close by or far or what?
It sounded close but distant at the same time. It was weird.
Not sure what that means.
I don't know how to explain it. That's like the best.
So like mid-range?
It was like close but far. Like I could hear I could almost feel the whisper in my ear, but it sounded like it was coming. It was like so quiet. It sounded like it was coming from far away.
Well, we didn't capture it, so is it a ghost?
Or is it not?
Find out in part 2. No part 2?
No part 2. If I was to put a verdict, the place is not haunted. I know Okinawa, every place on Okinawa is supposedly haunted. To me, Futami and Melody Road is not haunted.
I think every place in Okinawa is haunted. That being said, I think the question should be, assuming everywhere is haunted in Okinawa, is Melody Road more or less haunted?
Less haunted?
Less haunted
Yeah.
than the rest of Okinawa?
Look, there are places out here in Okinawa that people, even locals, won't even step foot in. So to me, like, when you take all of that into consideration, I feel like Melody Road isn't haunted. But you're gonna stand by the fact that it's haunted?
It's a creepy place.
Yeah, I would give it that. It was definitely creepy considering the time.
Next time we'll have to go to a place that is actually said to be haunted.
The only thing is I worry about bringing home a roommate. That's like the only thing I'm not down for. The Melody Road is always a great attraction. You can go there at night if you want. It adds to the creepiness factor, but whether it's haunted or not, we'll leave that up to you guys to decide.
And if you want to know more about where to go and what's the best, join the kingdom.
The Ryukyu Kingdom.